Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS backgrounds, and right now we'll be discussing about something special again. The CSS background shorthand is the one we'll be discussing about. CSS background shorthand. To shorten the code, it is also possible to specify all the background properties in one single property. This is called a shorthand property. Once again, CSS background shorthand. In CSS background, when you are using CSS background properties, there is a way you can short all these codes you are having right here. You can make it one line, just one single code, instead of being in 1 2 3 4 lines like this. Everything can be in just one line. So I'm going to be showing you how all this works in our next tutorial. Please, I don't want this tutorial to get too long, so we can be able to understand this. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Bye.